What are you opening, Kendra?
Money.
Money? It's a mischievous piggy bank. Can you show Mama first? What's this? See, it's in Japanese. And all the instructions are also in Japanese. Wow, what animal is that?
It's a cat.
It's a cat. Okay, can you take it out of the box, please? Okay.
It's so hard.
It's so hard. You want Mama to help you?
Yeah.
Cat. It has a fish bone right there. And then at the bottom, we need to put 2 AA batteries. Okay, can you help Mama put it?
Yeah.
Okay, push it. Push it. Okay. Hang on. Push it like that.
I'm funny.
Let's see, did we put it correctly?
It's my turn. It's my turn.
Okay, Kendra's turn. Oops! Put it back again, Nak. You don't need to push it, babe. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Go again. Kendra's turn. Oh, again.
Order
From
from
Nippon Delights,
Nippon
Cebu.
Cebu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, put it there. Show them.